Pacifica. Talofalava. In this video we will draw a yellowfin tuna fish with color pencil. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos on how to draw, paint, and create art. The yellowfin tuna is known as asiasi in Samoa and ahi in Hawaii. The blues used in the fish are true blue, peacock blue, light Carillion blue, and indigo blue. Begin drawing the outline of the fish with true blue. This will be later darkened with indigo blue. Darken the outline of the fish with indigo blue. Start the shadow areas of the fish with indigo blue. Indigo blue will be used predominantly for all shadows of the fish. True blue and light blue will be used for some of the lighter shadows. Apple green and canary yellow were used to color the iris of the fish. The pupil of the fish was colored with indigo blue and black cherry. Start the color of the fins with canary yellow. Canary yellow was used in the finlets. Canary yellow will be used predominantly for all yellow areas with a few highlights using deco yellow. Details of the fish were added by alternating between blues and yellows. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.